is late September 2018, and we are here at nowhere because this is the trail to nowhere up Broads Fork. Anyway, so this is another useless reconnaissance I'm going to do, just like my Red Pine Lake one. And the major mountains around us from left to right are Dromedary, O'Sullivan, and then to the right, the two peaks are Broad Fork's Twin Peaks. If I'm not mistaken, I think they said that Broad Fork's Twin Peaks was maybe the most doable from here, but a little dubious. But anyway, what we're thinking, like, well, this is amazing enough. If we were to try to go further, I think the most reasonable thing would be to drop down to the stream and sort of work one's way up, sort of toward Dromedary, and then probably cut left at some point to the ridge up there. And then that ridge looks like it would be pretty easy to follow to the base of Dromedary, where we would stop. So that ridge looks pretty doable. It's a little unclear the best way to get across the stream and start. There looks like a good option over here where these rocks are. Maybe you could just cross the stream there because it gets a little bit thick down in here, so I'm not sure if that would work. But anyway, you could figure that out. But it looks like there's multiple ways you could do it. You'd probably have to pick your way and zigzag a bit, but you could. That ridge, which separates us from the trail to Lake Blanche, looks very doable. So anyway, that's the thinking. As far as Broad Fork's Twin Peaks, we have no frickin' idea how you would get up that from here. The best guess is that you would go up the gully to the right somehow by carefully going up the gully to the right. And maybe, there's a lot of vegetation, so I think you could maybe pick your way up there, but we can't see around the corner to the right. It looks like it gets really steep toward the top, and that's the part that's confusing. It's actually all confusing. But you could probably it looks like there's enough vegetation and it's not insanely steep that you could at least get halfway up toward the right there. Anyway, otherwise, it also looks like you could probably follow the stream and work your way up straight toward O'Sullivan, right up the middle there. But what you would do at that point, who knows? Whether you could go up the right, I have no idea. You can't see it from here. There you go.